Welcome back to chemistry class. Now we are discussing our second lesson, chemical bonding. Today we are going to discuss about valency. We know that atoms of elements take part in chemical bonding and attain stability. When the atoms combine together, they transfer or share electrons. The number of electrons lost, gained, or shared by an atom during chemical reaction is its valency. Let us analyze the formation of sodium oxide, an ionic compound. In the formation of sodium oxide, two sodium atoms donate one electron each to an oxygen atom. Then sodium changes to Na plus ion, oxygen changes into O2 minus ion. Here, the number of electron lost by each sodium is 1. So, the valency of sodium is 1. Number of electrons gained by oxygen is 2. So, the valency of oxygen is 2. Let us examine the covalent bond formation in hydrogen chloride and carbon tetrachloride. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of hydrogen is 1 and that of chlorine is 7. So in hydrogen chloride formation, one pair of electron is shared between hydrogen and chlorine. Here, number of electrons shared by hydrogen is 1. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. Number of electrons shared by chlorine is 1. So the valency of chlorine is 1. In the formation of carbon tetrachloride, a pair of electrons is shared between a carbon atom and a chlorine atom. In other words, one pair of electron is shared between a carbon atom and 4 chlorine atoms. The number of electrons shared by each chlorine atom is 1. So the valency of chlorine is 1. In carbon tetrachloride, number of electrons shared by carbon atom is 4. Hence, the valency of carbon atom is 4. Let us check the given table. First compound given in the table is sodium chloride. Constituent elements sodium and chlorine. Sodium atomic number 11, electronic configuration 281. In the formation of sodium chloride, sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. So the number of electrons transferred by sodium is 1. Hence, the valency is 1. Chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287. Chlorine accept 1 electron from sodium. So, the valency of chlorine is 1. Next compound, magnesium oxide. The constituent elements are magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium atomic number 12. So, the electronic configuration is 282. During the formation of magnesium oxide, magnesium donates 2 electrons to oxygen. So, the number of electron transferred 2. Hence, the valency of magnesium is 2. In oxygen, the outermost shell contains 6 electrons. So, oxygen accepts 2 electrons from magnesium. So, the valency of oxygen is also 2. Next one, hydrogen fluoride. Constituent elements are hydrogen and fluorine. Hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1. The atomic number of fluorine is 9, electronic configuration is 2, 7. We already discussed about the chemical bond in hydrogen fluoride. Which bond is present in hydrogen fluoride? Covalent bond, isn't it? So, in hydrogen fluoride, one pair of electron is shared between hydrogen and fluorine. That means the number of electrons shared by hydrogen is 1 and the number of electrons shared by fluorine is also 1. So the valency of hydrogen and fluorine is 1. The last compound given in the table is CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2, 4. Chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. In carbon tetrachloride, 1 carbon atoms and 4 chlorine atoms are there. Here, the number of electrons shared by carbon atom is 4, hence the valency is 4. The number of electrons shared by each chlorine atom is 1, so the valency of chlorine is 1. There is a simple method to find out the valency of different elements. Let us check. If the number of electrons in the outermost shell is 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the valency is same as that number. For example, sodium atomic number 11, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. The number of electrons in the outermost shell is 1. So, the valency is 1. If the number of electrons in the outermost shell is 5, 6, 7 or 8, the valency is equal to 8 minus the number of electrons in the outermost shell. For example, chlorine electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. The number of electrons in the outermost shell is 7. Hence, valency is equal to 8 minus 7. That is equal to 1. So, today we discussed about valency. Hope you all understood. Let us check your home assignment. Find out the valencies of constituent elements present in the following compounds: NaF, MgF2, HCl, Na2O, CH4. Atomic number of sodium 11, fluorine 9, magnesium 12, hydrogen 1, chlorine 17, oxygen 8 and carbon 6. Second question, complete the given table. Write the homework question in your chemistry notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.